Hi everyone, welcome to a new video. Today we're going to show you how to solve this error on a Samsung Xpress M2875FW. I think in also other Samsung series, if you see the same problem, then you know that this is the answer. Yes, well, we go in and we're going to do a little bit of some learning on new things for us. First of all, the message says replace new image unit. Replace new image unit. On this, in this case, you can scan, you can copy, but you can't print. Well, there are people who claim, I don't know if they do, that they can reset this. Well, if they can, then try that. By me, what I did, I bought a new imaging unit here. Here's the box, but I haven't even opened it. So then what you do, you press here. There is a toner which was here. I'm gonna put it back to show you. Okay, this is the toner. It's gonna be like this. You press here, take it out. You take out your toner out here. This is your imaging unit. What you do, you press down and slide, pull it out. You can see I did take it out. This is the old one, right? Put the old one aside. Then here's the new one, of which is not opened. I'm gonna open it using one hand, but it's fine. I'm a bit struggling to open it. Replace new imaging unit. See, got this. It has a protector over it. You clip off this, remove it, take that out. If you see any paper or whatever you see, you can see this is the way it looks like. Okay, there's nothing we can do here. Sometimes there's a paper they take out, but now that was the only protector. So what are we gonna do? We're gonna put it in like this. Okay, you push it in there, then put it down. You see down there, yeah. Replace new image unit. So this is the old one. Replace that, then we're gonna put in the toner. Okay, what is it now? Okay, something didn't go in well here. That's why we're finding that this issue. Okay, that's good. The toner goes in like this also. Okay, you can see now it closed nicely. You can see status. The status was red, it's gonna be green. You can see warming up. This is super fine. So there's no issues, no what. So that's it, guys. You can see the status is what is green, so it was red. So it means you can make a copy, you can do whatever you want to do. I think I need to make a copy of something here. Let me make a copy of this. It did get stuck. Let me see. Paper jam. Okay. But anyway, that's it. I don't know. I wonder what makes that to jam. Okay. But I'll fix that also. That is a different thing, guys. In the exit area, it said that. I wonder why it did that. But anyway, that's the way we do. Can I fix that? No, I think you should fix it. Okay, let me get here. Was it the imaging unit part? Samsung. Check if you can see any paper there. That is fine. What it is? Okay, it should go in like this. I'm sorry. Okay, that's fine. Then I think we can test it. Okay, the status is green, but there's a paper jam here. Okay. How come? Where did it? Okay, you can see here there was some issue with something here. So which means we have to take out this paper jam. Understand? So yeah, but anyway, you can see that it was making copy. So this, I'm gonna do it later, guys. But anyway, you saw that your status, if it comes that is green and everything, that's the way you fix that error. Thanks for watching, guys, and I hope to see you in the next video. Once you see that error, just know you must replace your imaging unit. That's it. Thanks, and see you in the next video. Don't forget to subscribe.